इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह। There is no God except Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, his messenger. Ashhadu alla ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu wa anna Isa alayhi salam abduhu wa rasuluhu. I testify that there is no God except Allah, and there is no partner of Allah, of God, and I testify that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, his slave and his messenger, and I testify that Isa, Jesus is his slave and his messenger. Jesus is not God. Jesus is not God. God is only Allah. Okay. Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhir wal qadri khayrihi wa sharrihi min Allah ta'ala wal ba'th ba'dal maut. Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi. Okay, now you have entered in Islam. अपने
वेलकम इस्लाम क्या कहते हैं?